First question, do we have any audio from here? Yes, there is audio. So, question number 2. Do we have any music? No, we don't. So let's put some music. It's even better if I put music that is safe, so I don't get any copyright claims. It always starts with the same song. Let's find something better. Lo-fi, gaming, no, cyberpunk. Lo-fi, drum and bass. Actually, this is nice. I need something speedy. This is window. Let's put the desktop now. So the audio is fine. The microphone is fine. Yeah, and the music is coming through my headphones. As it should. So it's a little bit. Right, so as I was saying, today is Changesets and phones. For now, I might try to do a few more than Changesets and phones. And this is one of the short ones because we are already inside the Ecto section. When you reach the Ecto section of the book, when you're here, which is second part of the book, it just goes faster because the second part of the book is just like 80 pages while the first part was 120 pages. So if you notice the index, the thing is that it goes way faster. It's like 10 pages each instead of 20 pages. So that is one of the reasons it should take much less time than before. And part 7, chapter 7 of this series of videos was already very quick compared to the other ones because of that. And yeah, so Changesets and phones. Let's do this. Right, so browser driver. Fine. So basically everything here is integration between those two. So it shouldn't be called working with Changesets and Phoenix Phone. It should be called integrating or connecting. Connecting Ecto Changesets and Phoenix Phone. It makes more sense like that. Working with. You're not working with Changesets and Phoenix Phone, you're working with them together connected. This is not about Changesets, it's about how they plug into phone. Pressure of Phoenix HTML form. It would be nice if I have here something like a camera pointing to what I'm reading, isn't it? Otherwise this is... Right, let's make that. That makes sense. I mean I have 3 webcams. Let's create a new scene. Let's call it F11. And yes, the name defines pretty much this. Yes. Right, so you can now hear me. Now the question is, what do I put here? Which webcam am I not using? So the one on top of the screen. Yeah, but I need one that has a high definition. This doesn't need to be black all the time. So, honor photo, left, and now. Put it here. This is a little bit convoluted. Do that trick. Not happy. That's not what I wanted really. What I wanted is here, looking at the same thing that I'm looking at. Preferably in reverse. So let's transform this. Horizontal. Yeah, I'm not going to stay like this the whole time. It doesn't make sense either. matter. I'm just going to put it here for the time being. Bear with me 1 second. You have an idea of where I am. So working with Changesets and Phoenix forms. And on the computer, let's make a shortcut so that I can change scenes easily. Settings, hotkeys,
When the night sets in deep, when you're lost, come to me, I'll be there. When your pain doesn't ease, I'll be your remedy, I'll be there. I'll do whatever to make you better, my darling. I just wanna let you know, no matter where you go, you will never be alone, be alone, be alone, yeah. I just wanna let you know, no matter where you go, you will never be alone, be alone. I've seen the rules are changing, hearts are breaking, made mistakes and I can't shake them off. Lost and wasted, I can't explain, so I relay. If you're needing someone, I just wanna let you know, no matter where you go, you will never be alone, be alone, be alone, yeah. I just wanna let you know, no matter where you go, you will never be alone, be alone.
It doesn't do the conversion.
I know what it feels like to be on your own. Let me be the North Star guiding you home. Follow me, follow me. I know that it's hard to think of better days. Let me be the sunshine, brighten up the way. Follow me, 'cause I just want you to know you are never alone.
Oh, works now, finally. Good. Window open. No, I don't keep the window open. So let's continue. Working with Changesets and Phoenix forms. How much time did I waste in just this setting? I've been like 16 minutes and done nothing of use. Well done, Mike. Generating a form for a single schema. easy. What is not easy is when you have a phone that relies on many different things, like an association. Creating phones with an association. The problem that I have with this option is that it's showing how to do it with a comp, not with a live view. I think this chapter might be updated. wouldn't be executing it. I don't want to call it hello though. I want to use the same examples on the book. Keyboard is wireless and sometimes it doesn't play well, and this is one of those times. New computer, new issues. And I'm back. Right, so we have this on the 7th. And then we're going to body form text. You're a powerful Xeon. How do you pronounce Xeon? X-E-A-O-N. How do you pronounce that? Xeon. typical basic Ecto page. Yes. So let's ignore this page for now and let's do something useful. Right, so here it says that we define a schema. So let's define a schema. How will we call it? Hooks.
Don't look down. Hold your ground. Stand the strong. You've got this. Tender smiles. Trust your eyes. You will fly. You've got this.
Let's do a single.
You've got this. Free falling
Right, we
with
learned that we have to use Ecto schema unless we do some weird changes like the UID that I did the last time, in which case we have to change a few things more, but we're not doing that here, so it doesn't matter. Use Ecto schema and we have to import Ecto Changeset.
Now is your time, press play. Play. Maybe we imagined it. Could this be fantasy? Press play. Play. Don't look down on your
And
game.
we are going to keep it that simple.
Strong. You've got this. Tender love. Trust your heart. You will fly. You've got this. You've got this. You've got this. There's not a second day.
It's
Now
the only
is your
validation
time,
we're going
press
to need
play.
here.
Play.
Yeah.
Maybe we
That's it.
imagined it. Could this be fantasy? Play. 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 Play.
This part makes no sense. Like now we need a controller. When we invoke the new action, yeah. I mean you should make the example with a full worked example. Or half of it.
Falling with you.
Right, let's make this one.
Free falling with you. Free falling with you.
inside my soul. I feel so inspired. Inside my soul, I feel so inspired.
I can't remember it. I'm so used to live views.
Free.
somebody check my pulse? It's been a minute since I tasted blood. I forgot how good this was. Oh, honey, it's a fucked up world. Can't you see the fun in that? Somebody better hold me back. My God, just do it. So done thinking through it. 'Cause I got bruises, doing something stupid. Oh, honey, it's a fucked up world. You can bet your life on that. Somebody better hold me back.
The bass and the beat.
Oh, baby, that was quite a punch. Can somebody check my pulse? It's been a minute since I tasted blood. I forgot how good this was. Oh, honey, it's a fucked up world. Can't you see the fun in that? Somebody better hold me back. My God, just do it. So done thinking through it. 'Cause I got bruises, doing something stupid. Oh, honey, it's a fucked up world. You can bet your life on that. Somebody better hold me back.
With you, with you, with you, with you, with you, and searching in the night, you offer your heart of gold. Give me something I can deny. I shimmer in the starlight. We press together in the cold. Come closer, watch me ignite. With you, with you, with you, with you, with you, with you.
Right, this is going to be easier. This is going to be much easier.
Touch so fleeting, holds my breathing. Oh, a touch so fleeting, got me
the moon is bright, so many colors be our insight. Looking to the light, so many colors be our insight.
Yeah, my computer was
When the moon is bright,
working on its own. It's just that I left the headphones on top of the
looking to the
left
light,
key.
so many colors be our insight.
Right, so I just created, generated a new project and generated the authentication mechanism that comes with Phoenix, because otherwise we're going to be here a very long time for a really short part, which is ridiculous because we've been already 50 minutes and we learned nothing. So it's all preparation for one part of the book that doesn't have enough information. In my opinion, from this book, all that you can use is part 1. Part 2 is a mess. It's a mess. Right, so let's see how this is done by something that is already using it. If we go to the controller of the user session, it's this one. It's using live views, as expected, which is what I'm used to, because they have the render function and everything else. Here we are. So what is this?
I'm not saying it's over. No, so don't be confused. I'm looking for disclosure, 'cause this place feels unused.
Right, so when we load this page, it's but then we use simple font. We use This is user login. User login.
saying it's over. No, so don't be confused. I'm looking for disclosure, 'cause this place feels unused.
To the same place.
I'm not saying it's over. No, so don't be confused. I'm looking for disclosure, 'cause this place feels unused.
But it's not the same place, you see. I mean, this is new. This is create. It's different. And this is using post. Right, so the user comes here and goes there, and there with the correct data he goes
Oh,
here.
baby, that was quite a punch. Could somebody check my pulse? It's been a minute since I tasted blood. I forgot how good this was.
Everything's fine.
Oh,
This is the
honey,
one
it's a
back here.
fucked up world. Can't you see the fun in that? Somebody better hold me back. My God, just do it. I'm so done thinking through it. 'Cause I got bruises, doing something stupid. Oh, honey, it's a fucked up world. You can bet your life on that. Somebody better hold me back.
Which calls this one. Connection, user params, info, user params. This is not using anything related to Changesets.
My God, just do it. I'm so done thinking through it. 'Cause I got bruises, doing something stupid. Oh, honey, it's a fucked up world. Can't you see the fun in that? Somebody better hold me back. Oh, baby, that was quite a punch. Can somebody check my pulse? It's been a minute since I tasted blood. I forgot how good this was. Oh, honey, it's a fucked up world. Can't you see the fun in that? Somebody better hold me back. My God, just do it. I'm so done thinking through it. 'Cause I got bruises, doing something stupid. Oh, honey, it's a fucked up world. You can bet your life on that. Somebody better hold me back.
There you go. So we have to use HTML. So we have it duplicated. Yes, we do, because I created post and now I created book. So we have to get rid of one. Let's get rid of this one. And now this is matching one-to-one to what the book is saying. Right. Where did I put this? Books. Right, so let's start by having this doing what it should do. So we need to execute everything first to get the contest. Don't need to create the user because as we've seen, users don't use anything related to what we are trying. Surprising that they just come by Ecto on a big machine. Waving.
1,000 times, so I try to fight with you. 'Cause tenderness was toxic in your eyes. And even though we crash into the night, you keep pushing me aside. And you went down, and you went down.
What I like from Ecto Reset is that it does everything all the time. Like, you just drop everything. I mean, you're on there. It doesn't matter if it starts from scratch. Which is the reason I use it all the time. So here we are. I do wonder what is a result? We have the code. Right, we can move on from this. We can forget about this. This is amazing up, this is amazing up, this is amazing up, this is also amazing up. By the way, does anybody talk to us? again using simple font. But here is using Changeset. So we are getting somewhere. Xeon. This computer has an Intel Xeon. 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 It's really fast. I mean, this is the simpler part now. So the complex part now is understanding how it makes the connection with Ecto. Next, we'll need a controller. When we invoke the new action on the controller, we don't have any new action because we have resources. But let's assume that resources has plenty of options, and one of it translates to new. You can see that coming. Yes. Just put it there so I don't remember it. Right, so it says next we'll need a controller. When we invoke the new action on the controller, we want to return a new empty changeset for a user. So where is this? new comparам changeset library change book. Yes. User changeset. Yeah, it's just that the book is not thinking about context. So in the book you have user.changeset user. So directly it's using the user. Yeah, directly using the user schema. Which is bad. Well, we have something better because we have the context library dot change. I don't even need to open to know what is inside. Just want to create a change set.
Long days, heavy nights, staying up to the light. I don't think you know how I feel now. I just wanna tell you how I feel now. Come around, girl, and we'll make it right. Give you all of the things that you like. I just wanna tell you how I feel now.
Basically this. Only with a very long route. Not sure why though. I mean, do we get any advantage from calling one thing from another one and another one when all that it does is...
Got my eyes on you.
Is this necessary?
Got my eyes on you. Got my eyes on you.
It's just a function calling another function to call another function. Does it make any sense?
You love me. I'm about to blow all my self-control. Do you love me? Do you love me? Long days, heavy nights, staying up
You see me going through screens and not knowing what I'm doing. Is that I have something on my head and my mouse is moving quicker than my head is thinking on something else. So I'm just thinking like, how do I split this so I can show what I'm thinking? I'm going to open this. So now we have the three. Pushing the left from the right.
I'm about to blow all my self-control. Do you love me? Do you love
Right,
me?
so we have this. That goes... Oh yeah, we need another one. So let's pin this one. Book controller. New root. Okay, when we create a new one. The new one. And this is a dumb view, so controller, not a live view. It calls library change book, which is this. Let's call this. Why do these steps? Why no? Perfectly. Library change will give us a new structure. Never going to reach there. It's never going to come with attributes. It's always going to come with just the book. Why not just
melt into vibration?
I just pass to this directly, bypass the context, and call the chainset, because what we need is a chainset. Right? It should work. And it is indeed working. I just don't understand why the generator goes so far to overcomplicate the simple. Anyway, let's move on. So, new creates this, which is now closer, for example, in the loop, and renders a chain set, which whatever is inside here. So an empty chain set. It's going to be an empty chain set, obviously. Right, so I suppose that the reason this exists for nothing, because it's never going to change, because it's for new. Let's see where the validations come from.
Is this a dream? Girl, am I in my zone? Am I gonna wake up from this dream? Is this a dream? Girl, am I in my zone? Am I gonna wake up from this dream? Is this a dream? Girl, am I in my zone? Am I gonna wake up from this dream? Is this a dream? Girl, am I in my zone? Am I gonna wake up from this dream?
From here. Simple form and read it here. So form for let actions for as blah blah rest. Slot in a location, form action blah blah blah. Right. And if this one uses an input, which can be of a lot of different types, form field. If errors, do field errors. Changeset functions, and let's go to validations, validate length, and we are going to use this to say a minimum of 3. And let's see how that changes things. Right, it fails on the first one, so it shows the first one. Amazing. So the errors can be translated, which I think is important. I write it there. Because I'm going to think about this later. Let me see. So we use the form for function, says the book. So simple form is form for. Which is funny, it's not here. Right, so they change it to form from, to simple form. So that's the main difference between the book and the current reality, and is that we are not using form for anymore, we are using simple form. book is not valid. Not for this part. Not with the part that shows you the font creation, because simple font it's simpler than the example they have on the book. The book says user path con create and then a function that generates. It's completely different. I mean, they don't use the same hex code, HTML, Elixir code, hex code. So basically the book is so updated with this part. Where is this book from? I mean, how old is it? Everything else is useful, but this part of the book is useless. 2019, yeah, we've moved on from here. But anyway, it's good that we explore. So the next section of the book is just saying how the validation goes, and the validation is pretty much this function that I check here. So it's like I'm following the book, just finding things in a different way. The controllers have the same shape around the book, it's just that we are moving on to context. In this occasion, the context makes no sense, because if you put the context in between to get a chain set, if you're going to use a chain set, you don't need the context, you can just call the chain set, which is what I did here. And yeah, so once here it generates a new phone, so this is where you reach where you have nothing, no book, nothing. And once you filled up everything from here, action becomes this. No. Which is just a wrapper for this one. Okay, because this is like the parent controller view of this view. I will never understand why create so many files for something that can be in just one. You can put all this in a controller layer. Or on a live view. Live view is just the whole thing at once. So once you have that, which is a controller complicated way of making that, chain set, and that creates this chain set action. This is the action. So it becomes a post action. And the post action is the one that becomes a create. So this is the connection. The post action is translated by the resource function of Phoenix into create in terms of this, why are controllers so convoluted when live views are so simple? And this takes the book from the params, and if everything is fine, then it creates the book. If anything is, again, I don't even know why the context is here, if it's just passing around a chainsaw. And if anything is wrong with the book, it goes back to new, which we'll call this again, and the chainset. So it's not really a new, it's like an edit. With new, but it's passing a chainset. When is this chainset used? See what I mean? Like, you get the errors. This is not calling this. This is not being called here. You are still in the create part. This is rendering this. So you are really in a different page that is rendering the same one done before with the errors. You're not here anymore. So let's see what else. The redirections are different again. Here is user path. Here is no path at all, it's just directly the path. Then this is explaining just the validation error with the error tags. Here is saying to add a function. Again, the book is outdated. You don't have to do this because, as we've seen, that is here. In any of the inputs. See? Checkboxes have this field for errors. Select have this field for errors. Text areas have this field for errors. Basic input, the ones that are like anything else, you see, it says here, all the text, take time, URL, blah blah blah. Again, have this for errors. So why would you need to define an error tag? Let me show you. See, error tags. The book is saying that you should define error tags. No, you don't have to define error tags for a very simple reason, and it's that Felix does that. Phoenix does that. mark this in the book like dated. Dated. Now, creating a form with an association. To make it even more interesting, we'll use an embedded schema representing the user address. If you need to refresh your memory, blah blah blah. Embeds 1, cast embed. It's going to be the same, it's just form validation. Yeah, no, this one, I'm going to bypass this one. I mean, there's nothing I can do about it. I mean, good that I check live, but no, it's completely pointless. I wonder why do I get bots wasting my time. There you go. So I'm going to stop now because I need to eat something. And this is what we're going to do now. Testing with sandboxes. Okay? Bye bye.